Ah, the farm. A place of peace, quiet, and absolutely no chaos, right?
Freedom! Run, Bessie, run! Before the monkey wakes up!
Wait! Did my breakfast just run away?
Oh no!
I swear I left him right here 5 minutes ago! Did they vanish?
Aha! A clue! The game is afoot!
These prints are fresh, and they smell like trouble.
Moo? Okay, maybe escaping wasn't the best idea. A little help here?
Don't worry. Sheriff Monkey is on the case. I'm coming for you, ladies. Come on, Bessie. It's just a little mud. You are heavier than you look. Think, curious monkey, think. If I were a cow, where would I go on vacation?
All right, big red beast. It's time to wake up and smell the manure. Let's get this farm moving. Cruising down the street in my 6'4". Wait, I mean my 4x4 tractor. This is the life.
Ow, who's a good girl? You are. Thanks for not tipping over the tractor, bestie.
Come on, Slowpoke. I promised you the greenest grass, and I deliver. Keep up.
Eat up, friends. I need that premium milk for my morning cereal. Bon appetit!
Cow duty complete. Now it's time for some serious vegetable business. The cabbages await.
Drink up, my little green babies. Grow big and strong so I can make a salad the size of my head.
Jackpot! Look at this beauty! This is going straight into the soup. Farm life is the best life. Fresh delivery from the garden. This cabbage is heavier than me.
Chop, chop, chop. Preparation is the key to a great meal.
Adding some protein to the mix. Watch out, Master Chef at work.
It is starting to smell delicious in here. Stir it up.
Almost ready. Just a few more tosses to get the flavor right.
Taste test. Amazing! I am truly a cooking genius.
Lunch was good, but now it is time for a sweet dessert.
Hey, little buddy. This is my favorite tree, you know?
La la la. Harvesting complete. What a productive day.
I will save these juicy ones for later. Safe and sound in my bag.
Hey, jackpot! These juicy peaches are all mine. Nobody's gonna catch the peach bandit today.
Hey! Who's taking my precious snacks? I'm gonna find you, you greedy giant!
Wait a second. A sack? A thief? I need a super-duper master plan to catch him.
Dig, dig, dig! This hole is gonna be the perfect trap. Down you go, Mr. Thief!
Invisible. It looks just like solid ground. He'll never see this coming.
Here he comes. Get ready for the big tumble. Moment of truth.
I smell more peaches. Nothing can stop me now. I'm on a roll.
Victory is mine! That'll teach you to steal my lunch.
Nom, nom, nom. It makes a perfect seat for my picnic.
Emergency! Operation Save the Peaches is a go! I need a trap. Something strong and sneaky.
Twist here, pull there. This knot isn't going anywhere.
All these free snacks and no one to stop me. Whoa! Hey! Who turned the gravity off?
Hello, police! I've got a peach poacher packaged for pickup.
Unit 1 responding. Hold on to your bananas, we are coming in hot.
Well, well, caught with your hands in the fruit jar, huh? Fine, I'll go. But the service at this orchard is terrible.
Another job well done. Now, who wants a peach smoothie?
Nothing like a little road trip karaoke. La la la, look at me go.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. Gotta make sure this peach is squeaky clean before the magic happens.
Going down. Time to turn this solid fruit into liquid gold. Watch your fingers.
Steady hands. Steady.
Look at that perfect pour.
I am an artist. Tastes like sunshine and hard work. Refreshing.
Rise and shine! The early monkey gets the best nap, usually, but today we work.
Here you go, Bessie. Eat your veggies so you can grow big and strong like me.
Commuting to the office looks a little different today. Full speed ahead, Captain.
Ooh, shiny! These mangoes are looking absolutely golden and ready for me! Jackpot! I think I found the king of all mangoes right here! Ooh, look at this beauty! One for the basket and... Nope, all for the basket.
Just a little fruit Tetris. Perfect fit. Almost ready to roll.
Okay, if I sell these for 10 bananas, minus gas money, I'm gonna be a billionaire! Whoa there! Things are getting a little slippery. Hold on to your peels. Oh, come on! Don't do this to me! It's stuck tighter than a jar of peanut butter!
Please pick up! Please pick up! I need the heavy-duty squad!
Heavy Rescue HQ, Panda speaking. You're stuck in the mango grove? Again?
Right past the big tree. Bring the big tires. I'm the one in the yellow suit.
Hang tight, little buddy! The cavalry has arrived with the heavy wood! Teamwork makes the dream work. Thanks for the save, big guy.
First things first. Gotta gather some firewood for the big feast tonight. Safety goggles on, or, well, safety squints engaged. Timber!
Oh, come on. Why is the mud always stronger than the horsepower? Push! Full throttle! Nothing stops the Mango Express. Not even a little mud bath.
Cruising down the street, feeling good, harvest is done.
Scrub-a-dub-dub, gotta wash away that farm dust before the cooking magic starts. Swish, swish. The secret to fluffy rice is a good spa day in the water.
Slice and dice. Look at that golden yellow color. I'm a master chef.
Finally, the taste of hard work.
Behold, the golden treasure of breakfast. Pure, sticky perfection.
Oh, wow. That hits the spot. Powering up systems.
Good morning, world! Wakey, wakey! Time to get this energy moving. Fresh face, fresh start. I am looking simply bananas today.
All right, Big Red, time to get to work. Hop on, let's go.
Cruising down the Orchard Avenue. Keep it steady, Captain.
Just a little higher. Just a little. Gotcha! You are coming home with me.
Whew, heavy harvest today. This is my daily gym workout.
Hey, wait a minute, we have a runner. Come back here.
What is this? A delicious delivery from the fruit gods?
Oh boy, this is a real head scratcher. What is down there? Hold on tight, little kitty. I am running to get the big wheels. Eve! Oh! Ugh, this bucket is way too heavy for my little arms. Meow! Someone please help me, I am stuck! I've got it! I don't need muscles, I need a super machine!
Coming through. Important rescue mission in progress. Vroom, vroom.
Now we are talking! Time to fire up the heavy artillery!
Cruising in my mega digger. Nothing can stop me now.
Steady! Steady! Going down for the rescue!
Hang in there, little buddy. Help is on the way, going up.
You are safe now. Nice to meet you. Let's be best friends.
Road trip. Let's take these delicious pears back to our home.
Scrub-a-dub-dub. It is time to get you squeaky clean and shiny. Here comes the rain.
All done. Let's get you dry and cozy, little fluff ball.
Now, let's prepare a healthy treat. Careful with the chopping. Time to mix it up. This is going to be a super tasty smoothie.
Look at that color. Pouring a fresh cup of goodness just for us.
Yummy! Thanks for watching our adventure, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello? Is there a secret banana stash down here? Wait a minute. I have a brilliant idea. A tropical paradise.
Time to bring out the big toys. Let's get to work.
Just a few more steps. Why is this seat so high up?
Okay, which button makes it go vroom? Is it this one? Oops!
Digging is hard work, but someone's got to build the pool.
Hey, who is shaking my bathtub?
Uh-oh. I think I found the swamp manager.
Beep, beep. Heavy machinery coming through. Watch your toes.
Wait a minute. I have the most brilliant idea for a safety picnic box.
Sparks fly when I work. Building this thing strong and steady.
Voila! It is a masterpiece of engineering, solid as a rock.
Chef Monkey is in the house, preparing the finest steak for the guest of honor.
Okay, let's see if anyone is home for dinner today.
Free buffet. Come and get it. Don't be shy.
Deep in the swamp, a hungry neighbor smells something delicious nearby.
Hey. Who put these metal sticks in front of my lunch?
Man, this lunch is absolutely delicious. I need more.
Look who is stuck in the cage now, Mr. Big Teeth!
Hello? Panda Rescue Service? I have a giant alligator situation here.
Panda Rescue here.
Don't worry, I am sending the heavy transport unit right now.
Rolling out! The Rescue Express is on the way!
Pleasure doing business with you, little friend. The area is safe now.
Next stop, the Swamp Conservation Park. Bye-bye.
Now that it is safe, it is time to get back to work!
Wow! Look at this harvest. These are the biggest bananas ever. Sweet Victory tastes exactly like a ripe banana. What a beautiful day for some mangoes. Yum!
Just a peaceful stroll in the garden.
Wait a minute. What happened to my friend?
Hold on, I'll be right back with help.
Dr. Monkey is here to save the day! Let's do this!
Steady now. I almost got it.
And
Pull. You are going to be okay. Don't worry, buddy. Let me think of a plan.
Oh no! My poor foot hurts so bad. Someone help!
Got it! Look at that nasty thing. It's finally out.
Don't worry. Nurse Monkey has the magic kit right here.
There we go. Good as new. No more ouchies for you.